Today, we are in Cabragh Wetlands finding out what bird ringing is, how it is done, and what it is for. Mist nets are used to trap the birds flying through the area where the net is set. They are composed of fine nylon mesh suspended between two poles. When a bird flies into the net, it becomes trapped and then falls into one of the loose hanging pouches where it will remain until it is removed. Birds caught are carefully extracted. Only qualified bird ringers and supervised trainees are allowed to extract birds. Once extracted, the birds are carefully placed in a cotton bag and taken back to the base where they will be processed. Ringing aims to monitor survival rates of birds and collect information about their movement. This information provides vital supports for conservation efforts. Once a bird is removed from the cotton bag, it is held in the ringer's grip. This is a safe way of handling birds. Next, the ringer will try and determine the sex of the bird. It's not always easy to tell if the bird is male or female. The ringer then tries to determine the bird's age by looking at the wings. Different feather colours help to understand if the bird was hatched this year or before, as they show different stages of the bird's moult. The process involves putting the ring on the bird's right leg. It is very light, with a unique number used to identify the bird at a later stage. The bird's wing length is measured. In some species, wing length is the only way to tell the sex of the bird. The final stage of the process is weighing the bird. It is put in a small pot and placed on the scales. The average weight of a robin is between 16 and 22 grams, and the goldcrest can weigh as little as 4 grams. All information is stored on the BTO database and is available to ringers from all around the world.